Some troublesome news that came in right this morning. Actor turned politician Govinda accidentally shot himself on the leg with his own revolver. Following the incident, he was rushed to the hospital, shifted to the ICU in Mumbai. Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has spoken with Govinda, who's now also a Shiv Sena leader. He's inquired about his health. In fact, the mishap occurred, we believe, when Govinda was preparing to leave for Kolkata. He was cleaning his revolver and the gun went off. His licensed revolver fell from his hand and the bullet got fired. We understand that bullet struck his knee. He was rushed to the hospital. His wife wasn't at home at that point in time. They have managed to successfully recover and remove that bullet. He's out of danger. Govinda was about to leave his residence for Kolkata airport when this incident happened. The cops have now seized that gun. But Govinda, in the meanwhile, has thanked his fans, sending out a message right from the hospital saying that he's fine, the bullet was removed from his body, and thanking everyone for the concern and all the love and affection that they've showered on him.
Renowned Bollywood actor Govinda got shot in his leg accidentally today in the wee hours of the morning when he was ready to going for a Kolkata. This is the bungalow where this incident took place. We are right outside this bungalow right now. Today in the wee hours of the morning when he was getting prepared to go out for the Kolkata, he got accidentally shot in his leg, but right now he is well and the bullet has been removed by the doctors. The people who went to meet Govinda, they said that Govinda might get discharged within 24 hours to 48 hours, but he is in a well health right now, and soon he will be discharged from the hospital. With camera person Kiran Sakpal, this is Dipesh Tripathi for India Today, Mumbai.
नमस्कार, प्रणाम। मैं हूँ गोविंदा। आप सब लोगों के आशीर्वाद और माँ बाप का आशीर्वाद और गुरु की कृपा की वजह से गोली लगी थी, पर वो निकाल दी गई है। मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ यहाँ के डॉक्टर का, आदरणीय डॉक्टर अग्रवाल जी का, और आप सब लोगों की प्रार्थनाएं जो है, आप लोग का धन्यवाद। प्रणाम।
अभी ऑपरेशन हुआ है और थोड़ा संभालने की ज़रूरत है, और मैं यही कहूँगा कि जितने तमाम हमारे फैंस हैं जो गोविंदा जी के चाहने वाले हैं, आप सभी लोग प्रार्थना करें कि गोविंदा जी एकदम सही रहें।
Let me cut across to India Today's Hesha Shima joining us live for more on that. Hesha, give us more details on this incident. Of course, sounds bizarre that at 4 a.m. Govinda was cleaning a fully loaded gun. It falls off and injures his knee. He's been rushed to the hospital in the ICU. Thankfully, he's recovered, and thanks his fans for all that care that they've shown towards him. But where was he off to with that gun? What was the plan? And we hear Maharashtra Chief Minister has also conveyed a message to him, has spoken to him, inquired about his health, etc.
Right. So, India Today also spoke to Govinda's elder brother, Kirti Kumar, and he informed us that early this morning at around 4:30 a.m., he was just checking whether, the gun is clean or not. And yes, the gun was fully loaded. And unfortunately, while one is cleaning the gun, they are advised to remove all the bullets. But since the gun was loaded, accidentally it fell on his right leg's finger, toe specifically. And that's where it shot and it hit and injured his right leg. While the officials at the hospital have informed, and so has Govinda in his official statement, that the bullet has been removed and he is out of danger. And while he wishes that he gets discharged within the next 24 hours, the doctors here have advised that Govinda needs to be in the hospital for about 48 hours more once the doctors can give him any sort of clearance. His relatives also were here. Kashmira Shah did come here and pay a visit to check upon him. However, when she did exit out from the hospital, she said that her privacy needs to be respected and she refused to give a bite. But other than that, any other person who has come here has assured all of us, including all of Govinda's fans, that he is absolutely safe and he is out of danger as of now at this particular moment. He is slightly, though, unconscious because there was anesthesia given to him during the surgery, but he's absolutely fine and he has been interacting with family members who are coming to visit him. Over to you.
Isha, thank you very much for joining us. We're wishing Govinda a speedy recovery.